लास्ट वीक इट वॉज रेनिंग लाईक कॅट्स अँड डॉग्स. मी जेव्हाही बाहेर पडायचा विचार करत होते नुसता पाऊस पडत होता. बट दिस फ्रायडे आय जस्ट डिसाइडेड टू गो आउट बिकॉज देर वर सो मेनी सेल्स गोइंग ऑन. देर वॉज अ सेल इन वेस्ट साइड, देर वॉज अ सेल इन Zudio. Zudio was not there in this mall, so I just ended up going to west side. I was even looking for some cool tote bags because I personally love tote bags, but I didn't found any. आणि त्यानंतर my stop was at Bath and Body Works because I was looking for this particular fragrance called Bamboo and Lily. जे माझ्या फ्रेंडकडे होतं. It is a body mist and the fragrance was so nice. I was just getting some nostalgia of that. So I just asked the person if they had that fragrance, but unfortunately they didn't have it because it was a limited edition.
And because she said she didn't got it from India. I'm not pretty sure about it.
Was not launched in India. Never came back.
Floral, no?
No, that was limited edition. That was very long time back. Was something starting from these.
No, that guava tini, that is different.
And because I was out with my mom, it would have been illegal to not visit IKEA. So we went to IKEA.
So I'm going out for a collab right now and I'm gonna see my friend after so long. So I'm pretty excited. And I'm just gonna give you guys a little fit check. These are my red chappals with this tote. Let's go.
So this was the place and I was waiting for my friend, and while waiting for my friend I just understood that I have a love-hate relationship with my hair length right now. I just want to chop them off. Sometimes I like them long. I don't know. As I said, the food was so nice. We had a great time. आणि मी खूप कमी socialize करते आजकाल, but I really enjoyed the stay with my friend because we have a similar vibe and we just laughed a lot. We ate burgers and it was a nice day overall. And while I was heading home, it started raining again. Alright, so I was just editing my vlog, like this vlog, and I just understood that the vlog is too short. 5 मिनिटांचा पण नाही आहे vlog माझा, which is a bit weird, because if I'm posting a long vlog, it should be long in order to call a vlog. So I was just thinking, what should I do? Because today is Saturday and tomorrow afternoon I'm gonna post it. So I was just thinking, what should I do in order to make this video long? So I just thought I don't have the energy to get ready and go out and do something because it's raining and it's very cozy right now. So काल मी 2 back charms आणले आणि while I was putting it into my cupboard, I just noticed that I have like 5 back charms. Actually, I have more than 5, but I just understood that I love collecting back charms. That is like my new hobby. So I just thought I'll show you guys my back charm collection because I have multiple back charms and I hope you guys like it. So here I have all my back charms. माझ्याकडे अजून एक आहे पिंक कलरचं, बट आय डोंट नो वेअर it is because मला ते आत्ता सापडत नाही आहे and I have to edit this video, so bear with me. So this is my first bag charm. Uh, it's a cute teddy bear in brown color. I got this because I have a bag from Zara which is in brown. So I just thought it will just go with that bag and it will just look cute. मला हे खूप आवडतं. I think मी हे वेस्ट साईड मधून घेतलेलं. वेस्ट साईड has a lot of cute bag charms. So this is from West Side. Then I have this one. This one I think I got from Miniso. It's a cute dinosaur. It's in baby, no, not baby yellow, butter yellow color. And I think it's very cute. It is a bit dirty. ह्याचे दात खूप gray झालेत because I've used it a lot. सो येस दिस इज ऑल्सो अ क्यूट वन. मला हे खूप आवडतं. जेव्हा मी ह्याला बॅगला नाही लावत तेव्हा हे माझ्या घरात कुठंतरी मी असं अडकून ठेवते बिकॉज आय फाइंड इट सो क्यूट, इजंट इट? Then I have this third one, which is this. This is a cat. No, I think this is a dog. I don't know what it is. मी ह्याला cat बोलते because I love black cats. So yeah, I think it's a cat, but 2-3 friends of mine said that it is a dog. So I know whatever it is, but it's so cute. I got this for my sling bag, which is from H&M, and it goes really well with it. मला खूप आवडतं. आणि it has this heart, आणि it has this tassel. It is so cute. Okay, so माझा फोन आता स्टक झाला होता थोड्या वेळासाठी. आय डोंट नो. I just think sometimes my phone just gets overwhelmed जेव्हा मी खूप जास्त ओव्हर ॲक्टिंग करते कॅमेरावरती. Okay, so I think I'm done with this back charm. Now I just have the two which I got yesterday from the mall. This is the one. This is the pink one. It is very cute. It has this. माझा फोन परत स्टक झाला होता, सो मला पटपट आवरायला लागेल वॉट एव्हर थिंग आय एम डुईंग. ओके, सो कुठं होतं पण हां. सो आय वॉज सेईंग की इट सेज हँडमेड विच इज सो क्यूट. म्हणजे हे कोणतरी असं हाताने टाईम घेऊन बनवलं आहे, विच इज अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स. आय डोंट गेट अ लॉट ऑफ हँडमेड गिफ्ट, सो आय लव इट. ऑल्दो हे मी माझ्या पैशांनी घेतलं आहे, बट आय लव इट. आणि सेकंड वन इज दिस इज ॲक्च्युली माय मॉम्स चॉईस. माझी मम्मी बोलली की तुझ्याकडं लास्ट टाईम तू घेतलं ते हा नॉट दिस, ते हे कुत्रं होतं. सो नाव दिस टाईम यू शुड गेट अ हॉर्स. सो आय गॉट दिस हॉर्स अँड इट इज सो क्यूट. इट ऑल्सो हॅज दिस की विच आय डोंट लाईक अ लॉट. हे मला असं वाटतं ह्याच्या वाईबसोबत नाही जाते, बट एनिवेज. सो या, दिस इज द लास्ट वन. Okay, now I hope you guys liked all my bag charms and आता आपला व्हिडिओ पण थोडासा लॉंग झाला असेल.